Hi students, I'm Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Have you not written your November 2020 CA Foundation exams well? Then this short video message is for you. We have already uploaded November 2020 CA Foundation exam, suggested answers of descriptive exam and memory based question paper along with key of MCQ based exams. So, and we have already uploaded them in our website mastermindsindia.com. I repeat the website name www.mastermindsindia.com. Go to that website, download these suggested answers and question papers, check your performance and evaluate your expected marks. If you feel that you may get failed in the examinations, then don't worry. The most probable reason for your poor performance is home preparation. My dear students, you are studying a professional course and don't expect that you must qualify in a single attempt in a professional course just like your 10th and intermediate examinations. When a person tries for a government job, doesn't he attempt multiple examinations? When a person tries for IIT, JEE examination, don't he take coaching for multiple times and don't he attempt multiple times? And when a person tries to attempt his MCET examination, don't he tries to attempt multiple times? So whenever we are going for a professional course, we shall not expect everything to get happened in the first attempt itself. Same is the case when a person tries to attempt for civil services. Will he be able to succeed in the first attempt itself? Definitely not. Similarly, whenever we are doing a professional course, it will definitely take multiple attempts to qualify. The only thing you need is you need to realize whenever you get failed, whenever you did not perform well, you need to realize. With respect to this attempt, that is November 2020, the peculiar thing is most probably the reason for your poor performance is home preparation, and don't degrade yourself, so don't curse yourself. If you feel that you may get failed in the November 2020 CA Foundation examinations, then you better write your next CA Foundation exam in May 2021 rather than now January 2021, because the available time for January 2021 is very less. So you are already prepared for 6 months and appeared for November 2020 CA Foundation exams, but you did not perform well. Then in just a matter of 1.5 month of preparation, how can you excel? How can you perform well in your January attempt? That's why take gap. So take enough time. Comfortably appear for May 2021 attempt. Take coaching once again and aim for May 2021 attempt with all necessary arrangements. If you aim to write your next CA Foundation exam in May 2021, then we have already started pre-results regular batch for May 2021 attempt. It's a regular batch. That means everything will be taught from zero. And in that batch, our main target is freshers. That is, who are listening to CA Foundation classes for the first time. So we will be aiming the first time listeners. So you will be able to listen to everything from afresh. So if you are an old student of Masterminds, then you are eligible for huge concession in fee. You need not worry about the fees. We have opened our hostels for boys and girls in Guntur. You can come and stay in our hostel and attend these online classes. This pre-results regular batch is available in Guntur. Since classes will be conducted in online, students of any branch can come and join in this batch. All our branches are open. You can visit any of our branch and can attend online classes from our branch also. So don't continue home preparation as it will not at all be fruitful. Subject-wise coaching is also available in our pre-results regular batch. That means whatever the papers you are interested, you can take coaching for those papers also. No sir, I have decided to attempt in January 2021 itself. If you have already come to a conclusion, then you better take admission in our revision exams and study hours batches. As a part of this service, we will make you to sit and study for the whole day, and weekly twice we will be conducting examinations. At any cost, don't continue home preparation. We have started conducting physical study hours in Guntur as well as all our branches. You can attend study hours physically either in Guntur or any of our branches. Even hostel facility is also available in Guntur for boys and girls. If you are not interested to attend study hours physically, then at least attend our revision exams alone from home. That means you can stay at home and you can write our revision exams which will be conducted twice a week. This service is called MMTS, Masterminds Test Series. Irrespective of your attempt, that is whether you have decided to attend in January or May, don't continue home preparation. Come and join in our hostel in Guntur, or at least come as a day scholar in Guntur or any of our branches. For more details on admissions, then call 98851 25001 or 25003. Are you still confused what to do? Don't worry, I am here to give you the academic counseling. So if you are not in a position to come to a conclusion what to do, simply make a call to me. Note down my number 92487 33348. I am Prakash, I am a chartered accountant and I am one of the founder directors of Masterminds, which was established 18 years ago. And I'll be taking care of all the academics in Masterminds. You can directly make a call to me and you can directly interact with me to get your doubts clarified. Don't worry, I'm here to help you. So my dear students, think wise and take a wise decision. All the best.